Hi, Vickie. I just wanted to thank you so much for your program. Easy Writer was a transformational time in my life. I knew I had a book in me. I knew I wanted to write it. I knew I wanted to share it and help people in the world, but I really didn't know how to pull that out. And then once I pulled it out, I had to get past my own beliefs that I couldn't do it or nobody wanted to read what I had to say. It was a constant fear of what if nobody even cares? What if this isn't good enough? And Vickie, you helped me get past those limiting beliefs. I always tell my clients to this day, Easy Writer was the best money I've ever spent. I earned back the money from my investment within the first week after the launch of my book, and that was only because I was holding myself back. As soon as I made my offer, like Vickie had taught me to do in my book, I was able to get client after client after client. Not only am I able to do that in my business now, but I implement it in my life. So thank you, Vickie, for Easy Writer. Amazing program. It was phenomenal.